follow the arc to Arcturus and hit a spike to Spica.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We're going to do a little star hopping this week and discover new stars and constellations. Our jumping off point will be the Big Dipper.
The Big Dipper, the most recognizable star pattern. Visible almost all year round, this will be our guide to the heavens. First, it'll point us to the North Star.
Then show us the way to the bright orange star Arcturus.
Then lead us to the brilliant blue star Spica.
And we'll even meet a planet along the way.
Let's show you.
Okay, we have our sky set up for 10 p.m. facing northeast, where we see the Big Dipper high above the North Star. If its cup was full of water, it'd be pouring right into the Little Dipper and overflowing onto me.
If we shoot an arrow through the two stars on the end of the Big Dipper's cup and continue that line, it'll run smack dab into the North Star.
Now, let's use the Big Dipper's handle to find two more wonderful stars. Simply draw an imaginary line through the handle of the Big Dipper and extend it out along the curve, or arc, and you'll arc your way to the bright star Arcturus.
So in other words, repeat after me. Follow the arc to Arcturus.
Follow the arc to Arcturus. Hey, that's pretty catchy.
I know, right? Arcturus is the brightest star in the constellation Boötes the Herdsman.
His outline looks a little more like a narrow kite.
Or an ice cream cone on its side.
Look out, Dean, that scoop is loose. After you arc to Arcturus, keep going. Straighten out the arc a bit and you'll run into a brilliant blue star called Spica. Spica is the brightest star in the constellation Virgo the Maiden. She's standing upright and covers most of the eastern sky. Do you have a catchy saying to find Spica?
Of course. First follow the arc to Arcturus, then hit a spike to Spica.
Wow, that's a lot less catchy.
Yeah, I know, but maybe it's so bad that you'll remember it. Let's compare Arcturus and Spica to our star, the Sun. Arcturus is relatively close to us, only 37 light years away. Spica is about 7 times farther, at around 261 light years. The Sun, on the other hand, is only 8 light minutes away.
Now, let's size up these three stars. The Sun is about 865,000 miles in diameter. That's large enough for 109 Earths to stretch end to end across its width.
But that's nothing compared to Spica, which is over 7 times wider than our Sun, and Arcturus, which is over 25 times wider.
This arc to Arcturus and spike to Spica trick works every spring. But this year we have something extra. There's also a really, really bright star up in the southern sky.
It's actually a planet, but which one is it? Let's fly up there to get a closer look.
We're flying high in the southern sky, and that is one bright planet. It should shine with a steady cream-colored glow below the constellation Leo the Lion.
When we zoom in on our mystery planet, we'll see that it is Jupiter, largest planet in the solar system.
Through a backyard telescope, we can see its 4 moons, stripes on the planet, and on rare occasions, the Great Red Spot.
At the end of next week, the moon will join the dance. Here's the sky on April 14th, April 15th, and April 16th. The moon will be near Leo's heart star, Regulus.
Then, on April 17th, the moon and Jupiter will be in a very close conjunction. So, this spring, get outside and let the Big Dipper be your guide.
The 2 stars on the end of the spoon will take you to the North Star.
And the curved stars in the handle will let you arc to Arcturus,
hit a spike to Spica,
and then jet up to Jupiter.
Nice. Keep looking up.